boy I care about has gone away, looking for a